But even the people who love Trump, I think we all know how this is going to end. It's obviously not going to be the traditional waving goodbye on the White House lawn, jump in the chopper. Even he doesn't think it'll end that way, right? It's probably last seen in Scarface, I would think. It can be no other. Just, Trump sitting alone in the Oval Office, a giant table, snorting whatever prescription meds he's been doing this whole time. Abandoned by everybody, just like Tony Montana released him like Tony. The Navy SEALs go through the bay windows, you hear flashbang grenades. The carry stretcher comes out, and you're like, Jesus. Well, I kind of thought so, but Jesus Christ. But however Trump leaves, our fundamental differences don't leave with him. We're still divided. The Founding Fathers wrote in the Declaration of Independence, when in the course of human events it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve the political bands that have connected them to another. And they were writing that about us in England, but they say subconsciously you're always writing about yourself. And maybe they knew this day was coming. And now this day is here. And now what, No, I'm asking you, now what? I don't...